Hi everyone, let's unbox a new gadget. I got it online. That's AGARO high pressure washer. मैंने इसे अपना कार क्लीन करने के लिए ख़रीदा है और आप इसे यूज़ कर सकते हो, काफ़ी घर वर साफ़ करने के लिए भी ले सकते हो. I love shopping online. If you have seen this knife, I got it online only. This is the brand AGARO, जो मैंने कभी सुना नहीं है, देखा नहीं है, बस ले लिया रिव्यू देख के और मेनली प्राइस को देख के. The first item is the inlet hose. It's blue in color for me. Okay, it's flexible, not so sturdy. ठीक है, ठीक ठाक है. यूज़ करने का पता चलेगा. Outlet pipe is very good. It's very sturdy and it's around 8 meters as per the specs. 2 joining points है. Let's see उसको बाद में यूज़ कैसे करेंगे.
I saw her by the carousel under the fairground lights. Cotton candy in her.
The third one is the spray gun, the most important चीज. इसके बिना कुछ काम नहीं होने वाला. The fourth one is the foam dispenser. इसे इनिशियली मैंने सोचा कि पेंटिंग के लिए यूज़ करना है, पता चला कि फोम डिस्पेंसर है. This is the nozzle extension. इसको आप यूज़ कर सकते हो, नहीं भी कर सकते हो. It's better to use it. The end is made of brass. It's lightweight. Okay, sixth we have the connectors and the filters.
Like no one was around. Every move she made just turned.
And the seventh is the main unit. It's heavy. It's very heavy.
I took a step closer.
The specs का अनुसार it's around 9 kilo. When I weighed it, it was around 7.2 kilos. Kilos is kg, kilogram. As power switch is given. और power switch में आपको प्लास्टिक से covered है, शायद वाटर से बचाने के लिए होता होगा. There is a pressure gauge. There is input and it would be output, I think so. Let's check the specs out here. It's AGARO. Its model name is Supreme. The power is 1800 watt and flow rate is 6.5 liters per minute. Simple specs
Under the moonlight. Oh, I just met.
This is the power cable.
She's a fit.
If you see the caution, उसमें दिया हुआ है कि always use inlet filter. If in the right you can see the inlet filter. That's the correct filter. Always use it. Don't क्योंकि कभी-कभी क्या होता है कि पानी से गंदगी आ जाता है, जिससे हर मशीन खराब हो सकता है. It's around 7.2 kilos. It's heavy. So we have got a manual. So let's start the installation. सबसे पहले let's start with the step number 1. Okay, connecting the inlets. तो इसमें 2 inlets दिया गया है. One is tape connector and one is you can differentiate. इसमें 2 orange का दिया हुआ है ना, तो जो transparent वाला है ये आपका tape connector है. इसे connect कर देना. खोलना बहुत काफ़ी easy है. Just push it inside.
I wake up every morning feeling.
And just screw कर लो. उसके बाद ढक्कन को screw कर लो और tighten up हो जाता है, air tight हो जाता है. So there won't be any leakage. I hope so.
All the moments I took for granted then.
Okay, तो एक end में let's try with the bucket filter.
Within. Oh, I'm
It's simple, just push it.
more with every passing.
It gets fitted well.
I wish I could turn back.
So I will be using this one bucket filter only. So I won't be using the tape connector. इसको निकाल लेता हूँ. Tape connector means अपने जो विकअप होता है घर में उससे कनेक्ट कर सकते हो सीधा. पानी आ रहा है तो.
Gone and I'm left with echoes of regret. Thinking of you.
It won't be portable. इतना portable नहीं होगा. आपको टेप होना पड़ेगा कार के सामने.
I remember.
या फिर जहाँ पे आप क्लीनिंग कर रहे हैं. It's disconnected. So step 2 is like connecting the connector on the one end of the inlet pipe. Okay, it's also the same mechanism. This is a tape connector था. Just push the pipe inside and tighten the screw. It's done. So simple.
Oh, I miss you, mom and dad. More with every passing day.
Let's go to next step. It's talking about connecting the filter.
I did.
Inlet filter. I didn't knew that it was a filter actually. This is the filter. You have to connect it. Don't have to do anything. Just आपको ढूंढना है कौन सा इनलेट है, कौन सा आउटपुट है. आपका जो मेन मशीन है उसमें it's not fitting.
I make it right.
तो उसमें फिट हो रहा था.
How much I appreciate the sacrifices you made in the night.
Okay, it's getting fitted. अच्छा से fit हो रहा है, but
Stories hold your hands through the fight, but life doesn't give second chances. And
एक डर सा लग रहा टूट ना जाए ये, क्योंकि प्लास्टिक का बना हुआ है ना. It's okay यार, इसने fit कर दिया.
with every passing day, I wish I could turn
Next step is connecting the filter,
for the ways
the
I did.
inlet connector. Okay, inlet का जो मॉड्यूल है उसको ख़त्म करना है पूरा हमें. तो मैं इसे पुश करता हूँ.
Goes of regret, thinking of you.
It's loose,
I'll hold up
not well connected, I think so.
memories of laughter and of tears. Wish I could have been there through all your doubts and fears, but I know you're watching over me from
Okay, it's done. It's done now.
guiding me through the darkness with all your endless love.
Now the whole module is done. The input connection, whole everything is done. Filter connector, bucket, and this the pipe, hose, everything is done. Okay. Now we will connect the output one. It's talking about connecting the output hose with the main unit. तो output का hose जो है वो जो metallic दिख रहा था आपको, it's very sturdy. It's very sturdy. You've got same type of connection on the boat end, okay? Boat end आप देखोगे तो it's same type. It's a bit confusing. Okay, let me try it. There's no screw. I'm confused. Screw भी नहीं है इसमें. करना क्या है? Let's try pushing. Okay, it's getting connected. Okay, it's working now. Just tighten the screw. Okay, next step is sixth one is connecting the output, or sixth one is about try it once so that जो हवा आता है वो निकल जाए ना उसमें से, मशीन से. Okay, we'll do it later. 7 is attaching the output hose with the spray gun. सेम थिंग, जस्ट पुश इट. ओके, पुश इट, ये अंदर एंड हो जाएगा. तो mechanism very good. Yeah, there's gasket out there. Okay, now it's connected. The whole thing is done. The last thing is connecting the extension. It doesn't look same. I'm sharing to the picture also. Okay, I'm going to see this. ये सेम दिख ही नहीं रहा ये दोनों ना. How to connect? Seriously यार. When I rotate it, something is going on. Okay. It's opening up. Yes, I can connect it now. पता चल गया. It's done. ओके, इसका आगे लगा सकता है, इसे भी फिट कर लिया. इसका सीरियसली एक्सटेंशन कर रहा है. गन है वो आगे, हेड है ऑलरेडी. ओके, दिस इज द फोम डिस्पेंसर. सेम फोन टाइप का लग रहा है. It's getting connected. Let me try. बाद में once again, yeah. It's getting connected. The whole setup is done now. The input is done, output is done. The complete setup. This is the complete setup. मैंने किया, आप भी कर सकते हो. It's very simple. We'll try it later. I will make a video for sure, and I will give an out review how it's working, or should you buy it or not. This is my first car washer लिया है मैंने, first time. I don't know. इससे पहले एक्सपीरियंस नहीं मेरा. मैं पाइप से धुलाता हूँ नॉर्मली, घर पे धुलाने से भी. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.